Hello to all my beautiful friends. I hope you're all doing well from wherever you are. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. I'm back here today with one more text effect from Hyperpix collections. So today we have this text effect which belongs to Mortal Kombat movie, and in this video we're going to show you how to use this template which we have designed for you and apply it to your text or logo just with one click. So you don't need to know Photoshop professionally, or you don't need to spend a lot of time or hire a designer. So let's get started. Note this about the style that is available for all different languages. It's not just limited to English. And if you want to download this template, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership to access this template and hundreds of different templates in all different styles and use them in different projects. So let's get started with editing, and I'm going to show you how to work with this template. Just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In this window which appears here, just edit your text and type your ideal text just like this. Here we go, close the window and click save. So as you see, so beautiful, our text is converted into this style without doing any special things. You can increase the size of the font, for example, I put it on 200. The letter space between it, you can decrease it, lessen it, just like this. So we click save, and here we go. You can even change the font. For example, I'm going to choose this one, just like this. Click save, and here we go. As you see. So let's choose another font right here. Just like this, here we go. So you're totally free to make any changes. I'm going to show you the rest of the layers to see how easy it is to work with this excellent template. We have the adjustments folder, which is the contrast and brightness settings. We have the sparks, which are these sparkles, which you can adjust them with Alt and drag, or get copy of them, or minimize them, or rotate them with Control and T and place them in all different parts. So the effects folder is the main settings and the main layers. I suggest you to ignore it. The logo folder is the main logo of Mortal Kombat, but just note this, that you can't use it in commercial projects, and you just can use the main style. So don't forget about that and pay attention to know where to use the logo. So the next folder is the background folder, which is the sky in the background, which so easy. You can turn it into transparent. Just switch the sparks and the two backgrounds off, and as you see, it's in this high quality transparent and it's excellent. So we switch them on again. Let me tell you something very interesting about this template. You can even apply this style into your logo. So we come back to this window and insert our logo. I decided to use Coca-Cola logo. So we apply it here, bring it here, place it in the center. Just like this, a little bit up. So delete the text and save. And here we go. Just see how beautiful our style is applied to this logo. Switch the logo off, bring the effects folder a little bit up so it is in the center. And here we go. It's so interesting and attractive. So just like this, you can apply it to any logo you choose, and the result is excellent. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership and access hundreds of different templates. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye to our next video from Mary.